Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video we are going to discuss how we empty our recycle bin. So firstly we just need to go to the recycle bin, and here there are multiple of items. For this we just simply click Control A. By Control A, all the items is select from the recycle bin. Then press on the right button, and here's the delete option. Just click on this, delete all items. Let's wait for some time. It took some time to delete the items because there are multiple of items, so it took a little bit time, maybe a 1 to 3 seconds. So here we go. Our item is completely finished. Our recycle bin is completely empty and it's permanently deleted. So to get more videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye bye. Take care.